Project Vero is a 1995 Range Rover Classic TWR Edition. TWR is Tom Wilkinshaw Racing, a company that started working with Jaguar Land Rover in the 80s. They added a larger front and rear bumper, along with side sills and some specially designed alloy wheels. Their aim was to create a more sporty Range Rover. Some call it the first Range Rover Sport. There was a very limited number brought to the US. Project Vero was finished in Audi's Nardo Grey. This almost pastel colour always looks superb on our vehicles. I think it reflects, as our builds do, a great modern classic. Project Vero has a full black with contrasting diamond stitch interior, featuring our top-of-the-line Spinneybeck leather option. The trim that our client selected was piano black, replacing the original wood grain trim. Vero is a 1995 RRC, which is the only year of the soft dash in the US. This was also the most modern dashboard available in the RRC in the US, and also had extra features such as airbags and ABS. In this RRC we have the 6.2 litre V8 L92 engine from GM. It's paired with a 6-speed auto transmission. This is our 50-state setup and carb approved, allowing this RRC as intended to go anywhere.